Cuando pasa media cuadra.
Picture muna bago bumangga. Ayan, napapasok na ang haba ng video ko. Oh my God! So scary. Oh my God!
Le dan el paso, que no vuelven a mí, pues los humanos. Ahora del almuerzo, cuando entra al comedor, si un vecino prende un
Oh my gosh, such a pretty place. Crystal Lagoon. Yes, I own it. Oh, it's so nice. Thank you, Crystal. Spa and wellness.
Singing bowl.
This is our room. We really don't like the reception here.
Oh, that would be a nice photo.
Girl, hi. Finally, you can have your legs. I'm a bully, sorry. We are so hungry. We ordered octopus, bao, prawns, fish, skewers, and we're not done yet.
I'm not gonna move anymore. It's so stressful. And she can't walk and now we have to move everything.
So
Yeah,
now,
look, she's crippled.
Yes, I'm so yes, also I'm trying to
Yeah,
help you.
I know.
So
Sorry.
you want now most
We don't want to move. We just want the room to be freshened up. We're just gonna sit in the balcony while they're
Just
cooking.
I listen for the
Yes,
housekeeping.
thank you very much.
But
Yeah, it's not your fault.
Yeah.
Just sorry, your reception yesterday, they're a bit not friendly.
I apologize.
No, you don't. They should apologize.
Okay,
It's
yes,
okay.
sorry.
You didn't do anything. You're perfect.
Okay, thank you. I was
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much.